SUV could seat 7, launch like a supercar, and drive itself, all while looking like it came from the future. Meet the 2026 Tesla Model X. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you clean, honest insights on the latest vehicles. Today, we're diving into the newly refreshed 2026 Tesla Model X, Tesla's flagship SUV that continues to push the boundaries of electric luxury. Design. The 2026 Model X refines what Tesla fans already love. The exterior remains sleek and aerodynamic, with a minimalist front end, flush door handles, and those iconic falcon wing rear doors. This year's update brings slimmer LED headlights and new wheel options that give the SUV an even more polished, futuristic feel. Performance. Tesla offers both dual-motor and Plaid versions. And yes, the Plaid is still absurd. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 2.6 seconds. Even the base model packs instant torque and smooth all-wheel drive handling. With improved battery efficiency, range now stretches up to 375 miles on a single charge, depending on configuration. Features and tech. Inside, it's all about clean lines and cutting-edge tech. The yoke steering wheel is back, but now with improved feedback. A massive 17-inch center screen runs Tesla's latest UI, paired with a rear screen for passengers. The 2026 model adds better voice control, upgraded climate systems, and a 22-speaker audio setup. Full self-driving capability is available, though still in beta, and over-the-air updates keep features evolving. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model X proves that you don't have to choose between performance, practicality, and innovation. It's still in a league of its own when it comes to all-electric luxury SUVs. What's your take? Is the Model X still the EV to beat? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into tomorrow's rides today.